This pot is going to go in the Kazagama where wood and soda ash will create a beautiful surface on the front. So I have contrasting clay bodies. The bottle is an iron-bearing stoneware, and then the slip that I'm applying is a white stoneware. So the contrast is absolutely beautiful, and you can see I'm trying to capture movement that looks like grass is in the wind or fire or flame moving, and it will just be stunning when it comes out of the kiln. And wood ash and soda ash has decorated the surface of the pot in so many different ways. So I mix this slip up really thick, and then I just loosely apply it on with my fingers. It's just like being in kindergarten again and finger painting. And I love everything that is loosely creative and can tap into that childlike energy. I'm just taking a little more time to make sure that I get that movement going around the pot, and then it will be strategically loaded into the kiln so that as the atmosphere moves across the pot, it's planned in how it will lay wood ash and soda ash onto the surface. I expect something very exciting on this pot. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you'll try this technique if you're a potter. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already, and check out thevillagepotters.com and come and study with me or study online. Thank you so much.